You've come to the right place if you want to know what tomorrow looks like. I'm Jessica Taneja and welcome to SkyMet Weather Report. Here's a look at the nation. Temperatures over central parts of the country would rise marginally. Northeastern states and North Rajasthan might experience marginal drop, except southern parts of Tamil Nadu where temperatures will be in higher 30s and rest of the parts would enjoy temperatures in lower 30s. An upper air cyclonic circulation is seen over North Rajasthan and its neighborhood, which extends up to mid-tropospheric levels. Another upper air circulation is seen over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining coastal areas of North Orissa and West Bengal, which would lead to widespread rains in the area. The axis of monsoon trough has now shifted towards north, running through Anupgarh, Gwalior, Bhagalpur, Kolkata, and will also proceed towards southeast of Bay of Bengal. Rain belt is likely to shift upwards and would cover North Rajasthan, parts of Haryana, Punjab, and decrease over Gujarat, Haryana, and South Rajasthan. Rainfall would intensify over the northeastern states, sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Orissa, Chhattisgarh. Rest of the parts would receive scattered light rain except South Tamil Nadu and North Karnataka, where rain would occur at one or two places. Moving to major cities now. Delhi, morning would be comfortable at 27 degrees with 35 degrees in the afternoon and could be a little uneasy. Light showers in parts may bring short relief. Mumbai will enjoy a pleasant morning with 26 degrees, partly cloudy sky and sultry day with a maximum of 31 degrees will add to a little discomfort. Light showers may be seen towards the evening. A comfortable morning for Kolkata at 26 degrees. The day will be hot and uneasy with the maximum of 32 degrees. Light spells of showers will allow some relief. A brilliant day for Bangalore. Short spells of rain is a possibility. Maximum would reach up to 29 degrees and the morning will be enjoyable at 20 degrees. Hyderabad will remain warm at 31 degrees with partly cloudy sky. A breezy and pleasant morning with 22 degrees. Thundery development may occur. In Chennai, people may again enjoy low temperatures, but they would be humid. Light rain is possible in parts. Maximum and minimum would be around 34 and 25 degrees. Well, that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow, same time, same place. Thanks for watching.